Here is a list of several game elements that you can incorporate into your strategies. The first is mystery. It requires learners to fill in the gap by finding out information before solving the problem. Action is also great because it forces learners to make a move and engage immediately. Some examples would be collecting puzzle pieces in a game or beating a clock. They need to be challenging. Everyone feels the pleasure when overcoming challenges, so game developers leverage this desire to produce results. Rank is important. It's appealing to risk starting over and over again, lose a life, or lose your collected points. It challenges the learner and improves their ability to focus and make strategic moves. Uncertainty is exciting because when you don't know what's coming next, it keeps you on your toes. Progress visibility tells the learner what needs to be done so that they can improve on their performance. And lastly, emotional content. Unlike basic learning modules, these games can bring on anger, enthusiasm, frustration, and other emotions, which teaches the students how to embrace different human emotions while playing a game and learning.